What are you doing?
Doing honey cakes.
What? Can you show me honey cakes? What do you say when you do that?
They're all out.
Are you supposed to say honey cakes while you do that? Who does honey cakes?
The man.
The man? Does Edie do honey cakes? No, just the man does? What man?
It's the Wiggles.
Oh, the man on the Wiggles does honey cakes? Can you show me what the Wiggles do? A wiggle again?